Hello students, welcome to class second. Welcome to class second. How are you all? I hope you are having a great time with your family. Hello students, welcome to class second. How are you all? I hope you are fine and having a great time with your family. So we are going to start with a new topic, that is places around us. And before that we have learned people around us. Now we are going to see places around us. So we have seen in the previous lesson that what we learned, the people who are important in our life, and because of them our life have become easy and comfortable. Same way there are many places and they are very important for us, and every day we visit to that places. Yes, we visit these places for many different purposes. So these places are also very, very important. So today in this we are going to see the places around us in our surrounding. So how I told you to find out the people who are working for you, the people who are giving even you are going to find there are the places around you, around your environment, around your surrounding. You are going to note down which are that places and why do you visit that place. So students, sit with your pencil and notebook and eraser so that at the end of this video you can write the keywords. Yes, so now first you write the heading on the top of the red line, places around us, fifth chapter. And what is today's date? Do you know today's date? Today is 8 June. Yes, today is 8 June. So let us see places around us. Okay, now one song we are going to hear. Yes, let us see what is given in that song. Okay, so now we have seen the song. Now we'll see what are places around us. So you will find many places like school, bank, hospital, police station, post office, fire stations, and market in your surrounding. As we have learned people around us, so these are the people who work in the school. Now we have learned who work in the school, teachers in a school, bank. Then we are going to learn about hospital. We have learned the people who work in that place, police station, post office, fire station. Also we have seen the people who are working at that places. Yes, so we have learned about people around us. So we are going to learn now places around us. So in the image you can see in the near your home, also near you where you stay, near your house, you can see find these places. Yes, so you're going to note down how many hospitals are there, which school is there. Yes, when you are going to come to school, or now also you can see which are the places that you find near your home. Yes, near your house. So now you can see in the image you find many places like school, bank, hospital, police station, post office, fire station, and market in your surrounding. The same way you will find your surrounding too. So you are going to write all these things with places that you find near your surrounding. Now let us see what is given in this lesson. So there are many important places in our environment. There are many important places in our environment. We visit these places for many different purposes. Yes, we visit these places for many different purposes. So let us learn about a few of them. So first important thing, what do you think about what is the important place? Yes, which is the important place? So what do you see on the screen? Yes, is our school. So school is one of the important place. Yes, so this is our school, Innovera school. So school is one of the important place. So today we are going to learn about the school. Yes, it is one of the most important place in our environment. Yes. It is an important place in our environment. So now you can see on the screen school. So today we are going to learn about school. Yes. So the school is one of the most important place in our neighborhood. The school is one of the most important place in our neighborhood. Now why do you think school is important? Because we learn many things over there. Now we are missing school. Nowadays we are missing our school. Yes. So we are missing our friends. Yes, we are missing to go to many places like park. Only now hospital we can go. So hospital is also very important. Yes. So there are many important places, and from that we are going to learn about today, that is school. So we have seen the image of our school. So school is one of the important place. School is one of the most important places in our neighborhood. यानी क्या, जो हमारे बाजू में रहता है. जो हमारे बाजू में रहता है. Because we don't travel very far to go to school. Yes, so which is in our neighborhood, जो हमारे घर के पास रहते हैं, हम वहाँ पे स्कूल में जाते हैं. हम 3-4 आवर्स ट्रैवल करते हैं क्या? नहीं. तो हमारे नेबरहुड में जो इम्पोर्टेंट प्लेस है देयर ओनली वी गो. So the school is one of the most important places in our neighborhood. So today we are going to learn about school. In school, yes, in school we learn many things. In school we learn, gain knowledge. Gain knowledge. Study about many interesting things and learn various arts. As you can see in the image also, we learn to do sums, we solve sums, draw and paint pictures. We learn to draw and paint pictures. We learn to do different activities. Yes, we learn to share things. We learn about good manners, bad manners. Yes, we learn to read and write. Yes, so in school we learn and gain knowledge. You can see in this image, we learn to do sums. We learn to solve sums. We learn to read and write in the school. In school, we learn and gain knowledge, study about many interesting things, and learn various arts. Even we also play games and make a lot of friends in school. Now you are missing your friends? Yes? So we also play games. We play games, different types of games. Yes, every day you on the ground in the school, on the school ground you play different games. So we also play games and make a lot of friends in school. We also play games and make a lot of friends in school. You can see in the image the boys are playing games. Yes, they play games. So you also play games. In the school we learn to play different types of games and we make a lot of friends in school. So what did we learn? That there are many important places in our surrounding. So one of the most important place today we have learned about our school, and even you are going to write down the important places that you find near your surrounding. So one we have learned about our school. Today I have shown you about our school image. So school is one of the important place, and in school we learn many different things. Yes, we learn to play games, we learn to read and write. Yes, we learn to do different activities. We learn various arts. We learn to solve sums. So there are many activities we do, and we make a lot of friends in school, and even we play games. Now we are going to do the keywords. So from this video we are going to find out the word that is new for us. So now you can see important. Yes, the spelling of important. This is new for us. So you are going to write with me. Yes, you are going to write with me. Important. IMPOR. Yes, write with me. Important. Now the new word which we have came across in this lesson, we are going to write that new word. Important. 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 Yes. So now second word. See, important. Environment. We'll write the spelling of environment now. So what is the spelling of environment? See, ENVIRONMENT. Environment. We'll break this word. VIRON on MENT, meant. Environment. So now we'll write this word. You are going to write with me. Yes. So write now second word, E N V ENVIR. Now what do I write? On. 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 Now and T. Environment. Now you are going to write these words 3 times. Now you are writing with me. Yes. So first word we have written important. Second word we have written now which word will write? Learn. What is the spelling of learn? Now write the spelling of learn. What is the spelling of learn? We learn to read and write. We learn and gain knowledge. Yes, we learn to read and write in the school. So what is the spelling of learn? L-E-A-R-N. Learn. Yes. And all these words you are going to write 3 times. Now fourth word is what? Gain. G-A-I-N. Gain. Yes. So this way you are going to watch the video again and you are going to write the words 3 times, the new words. Like 4 I have done, and complete this sentence. See, complete about school we have learned today. So you are going to complete this sentence. The name of my school is dash. You are going to write the name of our school. The name of my school is dash. I study in class dash. You are going to write this also. My teacher's name is dash. So this complete the sentence you are going to do. Yes. And even you are going to watch the video again and you are going to write the keywords. Like 4 I have done. You are going to watch this. Today we have learned about school. Tomorrow we are going to learn more different places. Yes, important places that we visit every day. And you are going to do this. Complete these sentences. The name of my school is, I study in class dash. My teacher's name is dash. And even you are going to write these keywords. How many times? 3 times you are going to write. Yes. You are going to find out. You are going to watch this video again, like which are the new words from here now? Games. You are going to write the spelling of games. Friends. Yes, these words you are going to write. And you are going to complete this sentence. The name of my school is, I study in class dash. My teacher's name is dash. So students, remember all the points mentioned in this chapter and do the self-learning worksheets on places around us, and do the given worksheet and do this homework also. These keywords you are going to write 3 times, and even you are going to complete this sentence. Tomorrow again we are going to discuss about the keywords. So now you can find yourself your own. You can find you are going to watch this video and you are going to write your own. Yes. So till then, goodbye. See you tomorrow. Take care.